Hi there, I'm Ani from Real Estate Experts, and today breaking down each of the steps of the home buying process to make your experience as smooth as possible. Now, I have one commitment when it comes to working with you, and that is to exceed your expectations while getting you the best possible price, terms, and conditions when you buy a home. And to achieve this goal and to give you an edge over other buyers in this very competitive market. Now, I want to help you stay in the know. And I'm going to kick things off with something super important, and that's securing the right representation from the start. So let's jump in. Step one is signing a buyer broker representation agreement or a three property showing representation agreement. Now, this might sound like a bit of a mouthful, and it kind of is, but it's really all about having a dedicated professional looking out for your best interests. This agreement means that I'm committed to working for you, finding the best properties, negotiating on your behalf, and guiding you through every step of the home buying process. Now, think of it as hiring a personal advocate. Now, with me by your side, you'll have access to exclusive listings, market insights, and expert advice tailored just for you. Now, it also clarifies how we'll work together and ensures that you have a dedicated representation in this competitive Bay Area market. Now, step two is determining your budget and getting pre approved. Now, this means understanding your financial situation, including your savings, income, and any debts. You'll want to aim for a monthly mortgage payment that doesn't exceed 30% of your income. And don't forget about costs like property taxes, insurance, and homeowners association fees, as well as the down payment and closing costs. Now, depending on the type of loan, it can range from as low as 3%. Now, if you're getting financing, getting pre-approved for a mortgage is crucial. To have a competitive offer. Now, pre-approval shows sellers that you're a serious buyer, and it gives you a clear idea of your purchasing power. You'll need documents like proof of income, tax returns, and bank statements. Your lender will review these to determine what type of loan and how much you can borrow. Plus, it can be helpful to lock in a favorable interest rate early on. Now, step three is my favorite part. It's the fun part, and it's house hunting. Now, with your budget and pre approval in hand, it's time to start looking for that dream home. So, make a list of your must haves and nice to haves. But remember that it's important to be flexible as inventory can be tight. Now, I'll guide you through the different neighborhoods, considering factors like commute time, schools, and future estimated equity gains within specific neighborhoods. And it's good to remember that this might also be a great time to kind of review home insurance policies for the specific areas and types of homes you are interested in. Now, with my insider knowledge, we can help you find hidden gems and off market properties that fit your needs as well. Now, step four is disclosure and inspection review. So, once we do find that perfect home for you and you want to make an offer, we will share all of the seller's disclosures and home inspections. Now, it's common in the Bay Area for the seller to provide these upfront as well as any HOA documents. A professional inspector checks for issues like plumbing, roofing, or electrical problems, and this is key to ensuring your investment is sound. Now, it's important that you review these documents thoroughly, and we will assist in helping you understand key factors while assessing the home's condition. Step five is making an offer. Now, once you find that perfect home, I'll help you submit a strong competitive offer using specific strategies to submit a winning offer, all while not overpaying. Now, it's essential to move quickly and strategically, and we'll discuss contingencies, analyze comparable sales, market conditions, and the seller's motivations to make sure that we're going to craft the best offer possible. And then we'll present that to the sales agent and handle the negotiations to get you the best possible deal. Now, step six is escrow and discovery. So, if you've got your offer accepted, what next? Now, escrow will be opened and you'll receive a timeline for the transaction. You'll need to have 3% of your offer price liquid and ready to wire within 1 to 3 business days of your offer being accepted. And your lender will require an appraisal to confirm the home's value aligns with that purchase price. Now, whether you have a property contingency or not, you are still entitled to do your own inspections. At this point, we can discuss the possibility of renegotiating some terms if absolutely necessary. Step seven is finalizing your mortgage. Once the appraisal is done, all contingents for the loan are met, it's time to finalize that loan. The lender will prepare all the final paperwork and you'll review the terms, rates, and payments. Make sure everything checks out, and then it's time to sign title and loan documents and wire your remaining funds. And step eight is great because we're going to celebrate. It's closing days. Title will be recorded with the county, and drumroll, please, you will get the keys to your new home. Congratulations, you're now a proud homeowner. Now, I do hope this step-by-step guide has made the home buying process a little clearer for you. Now, remember, buying a home, especially in the Bay Area, can feel overwhelming, but with your right team by your side, it's an exciting and rewarding experience. So please feel free to text, call, or email me to book your complimentary buyer broker consultation. And you can join me again next time, where I'll be discussing why picking the right lender can be essential for getting your offer accepted. I'm Ani with Real Estate Experts, and we'll be right here ready to help you as you navigate the home buying process. Bye bye.